welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole and I like to create fashion DIYs. In today's video, I took this red dress that was just sitting in my closet because, let's face it, I don't really have anywhere to go to wear a dress like this. So I am going to turn it into something that I would actually wear. I also just received this in the mail today, so I am going to start teaching myself more about pattern drafting. That's something I really need to practice on and I want to get better at. So hopefully I can teach you guys how to draft your own pattern or modify patterns, because that's kind of what my goal is. So I purchased this from Amazon and some pattern drafting paper, and I'm going to start slowly chipping away at this. So if you guys like what you see, it would really mean a lot to me if you comment, liked, and subscribed, and enjoy the video.
As you can see, this is a very fitted dress. I can barely separate my legs, so the decision to cut it in half and create something wearable came naturally. So first thing I did was mark with chalk where I would like the top to hit my body. It's hard to get an accurate measurement on camera, so once I finished filming, I double checked in the mirror. I ended up having to move it down about an inch. Then I marked a 1-inch seam allowance, then measured from that mark to the bottom hem of the dress so I can accurately mark the opposite side with chalk. Then it was time to cut. I used my cutting board's measurements to line up the dress. Then using my ruler and my rotary blade, I cut the dress in half. Next, working from the inside of the garment, I seam ripped the side seams. Then cut the excess fabric off from the back side with my ruler and rotary blade once again. I folded the hem on both sides of the seams and the bottom edge. Since the fabric was a little tricky to work with, I only created a single fold hem, then pinned it into place and sewed. Next, I'm going to repeat the same thing on the front side, except this time, after I sewed my side seams, I'm going to sew a ribbon to either side to use as the tie. This is just a 1-inch satin red ribbon that I picked up from Fabricland. For myself, I cut 2 9-inch pieces, but it's best to cut more ribbon just in case it isn't long enough, since you can always cut off the excess. Once that was sewn, I completed the piece by folding up the front hem and pinning it and sewing it into place. And this is the final piece. I absolutely loved how this turned out, since now I can style it with so many different pieces. If you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs.